Welcome to Deja Resort All-Inclusive Hotel. As we enter, there is a lobby in the check-in area. It's very cozy, nice color scheme. As we enter the front door, first place you go is the bathroom. Very small. This hotel is right by the roadside, so you hear vehicles passing. If you're a person who like those soothing noises while you sleep, this is perfect for you. But if you want something quiet, this is not the resort. Typical bedroom, you get a safe, iron board, and the room comes with an AC. There was no mini fridge, but we got kettle for making hot beverages. The balcony. This hotel gives a more laid back vibe, not like the hotels that have the whole high energy entertainment. This is more for relaxation purposes. The dining room sits right beside a cascading waterfall garden. It's very soothing. As for the food, it tastes amazing, but there was only Jamaican local options. There was no international options for persons who are Jamaican. We also had a repeat of the same dishes every day that we were there. There was nothing new. And drinks were served to us by our waiter or waitresses. We didn't have buffet style for the juice. Although this is an all-inclusive resort, all the champagnes had to be bought. What would a Jamaican hotel be without jerk? They had a jerk center where you can request your burgers, jerk chicken, jerk anything. And it overlooks the waterfall garden. The snack bar opens up into a balcony area that overlooks the Doctor's Cave Beach. And while you're at the hotel, you have access to Doctor's Cave Beach, which is right across the road. This hotel is located on the hip strip in Montego Bay. So there's Starbucks, there's access to Margaritaville just a few steps away. And for the entertainment, there wasn't much to do. The bar is always open, but it's almost always empty. They have games at the pool, and there's also a hot tub that you can enjoy. There were board games, there was a pool table, there was also a spa and a gym for those who want to stay fit while they're on vacation. Not me. One downside to this hotel will be that there is no food after 10 p.m. The snack bar closes at 10 The dining area closes at 10, but the bar stays open until 2, but there's no food, only liquor in the bar. That was one of the things that I did not like, because if you feel hungry in the night, there is nothing to eat. This hotel was very much affordable. The cost for 3 days and 2 nights was only $506 US, and that is for 2 adults. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share with your friends. Until next time, continue to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.